Alright, so starting off with brushing my natural eyebrows. This is the shape of my eyebrows. It's natural texture. This will be with no eyebrow pencil, no liner, no nothing. So the secret to holding my eyebrows in place, I'm going to be using lace wig glue. Yes, so any lace wig glue would do. That's as long as it's clear. It usually dries up within a few seconds, but I like this better than the regular eyebrow glue or whatever they sell at the store. This really holds my hairs in place, especially because my eyebrows are a lot thicker. So you're going to take your spoolie and you are going to spread the glue throughout your entire eyebrow, starting from the front to the back, and you're going to want to push it in an upward motion. So as you brush it upward, it begins to create another shape for your eyebrow where it looks lifted, where it looks clean, where it looks like you actually got something done to it. And this is going to help also when you are about to outline your eyebrows with the concealer. Okay, so I'm going to take my Rimmel Matte concealer, and you can use any concealer shade closest to your skin color, and I am going to go ahead and use this along with my flat brush to outline my eyebrows. So this helps make your eyebrows look lifted, it makes it look sharp, and it makes it look very neat. So you can do this whether you're going to wear a full face of makeup or not. So when starting your eyebrows, as always, you're going to want to start a little bit before your actual eyebrows so that you can create a faded look. So you're going to want to get as close as possible to your hairs, and you're going to want to drag that concealer with that flat brush. And at the top, once again, you're going to drag it a little bit more towards the front of your eyebrows, and you're going to want to get as close as to your hairs as possible. You don't have to worry about messing anything up because that's why we put the lace glue on there, so nothing should be altered. You're going to want to get it as close to the hairs as possible because you don't want invisible gaps or just looking like you just drew a super large line on your face. Alright, so now we're going to take our blending brush, and any blending brush you use is going to be good. I did have some leftover eyeshadow on this blending brush, so that is why my is kind of looking like this. But you're going to want to just blend in as close to the hairs as possible. You're going to want to keep it pretty much intact where you're blending versus when you're doing a full face where you want to actually spread it out. In this case, you want to kind of keep it as close as possible to the actual hairline of the eyebrows. And so you're just going to follow this blending pattern, follow the pattern of your eyebrow shape that you have created with the concealer and with the lace glue as well. And so as you can see here, you can tailor the blending to however you need it to fit. If you are looking for thinner eyebrows, you can go back in with some concealer a second round. But overall, this is going to be the desired look. You want it to look natural. You want it to look like it's actually coming out of your face, or like you just got your eyebrows waxed. So this is the final look. As you can see, this is how it looks when I did this versus my eyebrow that's not already done. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'm going to go ahead and do my other eyebrow off camera. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. So once again, no eyebrow pencil, no eyeshadow, no liner, no nothing in these eyebrows. Regular eyebrows, and I'm gonna put either here or there the before and the after. So if you like this look, if you love a natural soft girl look, this is gonna be definitely a go-to with some foundation and just a little concealer under your eyes. You wouldn't even need no lashes or nothing like that. But share, subscribe, let me know how this video helped y'all. If y'all like it, okay, y'all be blessed and y'all have a great day. Bye.